Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the very first actions now. Install your chosen framework, validate GPU drivers, and load a small sample dataset to confirm I/O works. Once done, define the success metric, accuracy, F1, or latency, and create a 10% validation split to measure progress. Make sure to set a reproducible seed, document versions, and choose a baseline model to compare against. This prevents wasted iterations and gives you a clear starting point for optimization. Now you build the core: preprocess, model, and iterate. Preprocess by normalizing, augmenting, and batching data, then implement a compact model to validate the pipeline. Once validated, scale architecture and tune hyperparameters, logging each run for comparison. Use learning rate schedules, mixed precision, and checkpointing so training recovers from interruptions. Make sure to validate regularly on your 10% split and apply early stopping. This saves compute and prevents overfitting, while you explore the most promising configurations. Finish by evaluating on a held-out test set, interpreting metrics and error cases to guide final fixes. Once done, optimize the model for deployment. Quantize or prune, and convert to ONCs or platform-specific runtimes for latency gains. Deploy with monitoring and a rollback plan so you can revert if regressions appear. If things go wrong, first check data drift and input preprocessing mismatches. Mismatched scaling or missing fields causes most failures. Then retrain or adjust preprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.